I intend to print it.
I just have it very simple.
It's processing a flying wing and run it off.
Yeah. Oh, it's going to fly. I take it you've got that off some website.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa what?
That's not
Whoa.
a good noise when somebody's down the model. Well, it's incredibly well, doesn't it? It's a bit of plastic.
Yeah. Essentially, if you think of it like a 3D, a normal printer, XY, you can handle
And
an
then
X. Yeah, it'll do that. The bit that you've got to worry about is the Z axis, but that's pre-programmed. So the only thing that's really different is you've got a load of parameters for heated extrusion. Mine works straight off.
I take it they're set to that front panel, are they, or they don't?
No. You get a file, 3D file, and you turn it into an output for 3D printer using something like a program called Cura. And that does all the bits and pieces, sets everything up.
That
for
does
it.
all the
Like
bandy bit that you've
yeah,
got to break
yeah.
off afterwards.
Yeah. Sensor for blood sugar.
Oh, is it?
It just doesn't like being outdoors.
Oh, you got a stand, you got a thing on the end,
Yeah. So I would download Cura. It's a free download. Look for a very simple file. There should be one on your machine in the little USB card. Pull that up as you transfer it. Plug that into your computer. Put the file you want into Cura, and it will show you the 3D objects. Then you hit slice. And slice basically turns it into layers. The sky's still clear. My experience is that there's various ways of putting it into the bed, but if you put what's called a skirt around it, it basically extrudes a little outline. It gets the extruder running properly, and then it will start printing.
The bed's different then, isn't
It is. They are a fibre. When you start reading about it, it's a good combination. Hot plastic and hot machine. So not something to leave unattended for hours.
Even though they take hours to print.
Yeah.
People leave them on overnight.
They do. Not sure I'm going to, but
That's not a lot of grunts, isn't it?
yeah. Worth it.
90 mil in that one?
80.
80. It's running on 6S.
6S, yes.
Plenty of power. Very quiet too, isn't it?
Yeah.
Landing.
That's great, you'll help me.
And if you get all the settings right on your printer, you can have one.
Yeah, I like that way. I just want accessories for my scale helicopter.
Yeah, the biggest thing is break it into two elements. One, getting the printer working, learning how to control it. Just use simple program bits off the internet. Once you've done that, have you done any test drawing?
Oh yeah. Years ago on old machines, yeah.
Yeah, okay. And then you can take your 3D CAD program